what is the difference between a simple and a complicated customer? So basically, what is a simple customer and what's a complicated customer, and which customer you need to choose. Now, when you already saw the free training, you already know that you need to choose the simple customer. And when you are completely new here, then you forget about complicated customers, just focus on the simple customers. And I will tell you right now what is simple customer. So a simple customer is basically a local business owner. For example, a dentist or a gym or a dojo, MMA studio, something like that. So everything you can find in your local neighborhood, every business you can find literally in your city. And on the other side, what's a complicated customer? A complicated customer is a customer which is basically an online store, so an online customer, online store, or a coach which wants to sell his online course or something like that. So that's a complicated customer. Why we are choosing the simple customer over the complicated customer? It's also really easy. The simple customer is easy to serve and easy to get. So you can easily get a simple customer and you can easily bring him results simply with little effort, just in comparison to the complicated customer. The complicated customer is mostly a customer which is really unsatisfied with your service, whichever you do, and he is hard to get and hard to serve. So, for example, there are many coaches which are looking for agencies which are advertising their product, but when they're offering something like an online course, their customer had a lot of decisions to make. That's why you need to create, for example, a webinar, a thank you page, a live webinar page, a sales page, and yada, 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 and all this stuff, and send them out a welcome email, then the second email, the next email, and you have a whole email sequence, a bunch of stuff there. So that's why this whole craziness started, because some agencies just took these complicated customers and made for them this whole process. And you need to understand, when you have a process where you have, for example, many steps, like so something like that, like here ads, there ads, web page here, thank you page here, yada yada, then you basically need to do all this stuff. And when one position is not working quite well, the result will be miserable and your customer will be unsatisfied. And that's why we are never choosing a complicated customer, because he will make your life to a living hell. You need to work hard, you need to do everything for him, and he will be unsatisfied with your service. Hands down, that's just true. That's why we are always choosing simple customers. And again, what are simple customers? Simple customers are here, for example, like dentists, bars, promotional shops, real estate agents, gyms, yes, and so on and so on. So basically just local businesses which are picking up the phone. That's it. And when you are familiar with the Falcon method from the free training, then you already know that this is the whole process which we are needing to serve our simple customers. So we need only Facebook, one simple ad, one landing page where we are capturing all the customer or the prospect data, for example, the phone number, the email address, and the name. Then your simple customer basically needs to call the prospect and it's on. That's it. I will go more in depth with the Falcon method in this course, but all you need to know is never ever choose a complicated customer and stay with the simple customers. And I see you in the next video.